Bisht. I graduated in the year 2022 from NIIT University. And just looking back at my time here, I really cherish the way this university is pretty open, is very natural. It's in a very beautiful scenic part of the Aravallis here in Rajasthan, Nimrana. And it really helps foster an understanding with just not just like your technical skills and not just with education, but with yourself as well. We're very connected to nature over here, and we can go on treks and hikes whenever we want over the weekend, and it really helps us build a bond with this university. There are also lots of industry projects which are offered over here. I myself did a project in LP working with our own faculty over here, which won us prizes in national level competitions as well. And that really added an extra punch to my CV and to my portfolio when I was applying for a job. And that's in fact one of the main reasons I was hired into my industry at PwC in Gurgaon. Just another point for the students who are looking out for these opportunities. There are a lot of options here within NU's faculty itself. We have a vast variety of people from different lines of work. We have a lot of industry-specific expertise, and it's not like the course curriculum is old or archaic. It's actually very regularly updated by professionals in the industry, bringing the latest technology, the latest knowledge, and the latest expertise on how the world actually functions outside college, which is very rare. So you can freely connect with the faculty over here, and they'll give you precise guidance on how to formulate your CVs, what projects to do, and what are the next big things